Ever wanted to have your own PPH website up and off the ground but didn't know how? Well, you just found the answer. Wagersolutions.com. Per head, made easy. Managing your players has never been easier. Wagersolutions.com provides the most comprehensive, reliable, and customer-centric bookie management system, period. You can start using our service for free, too. Click the link below now and claim your free 1-week trial. We know you'll love it. At Wagersolutions.com, we offer 3 quality service plans which offer a tailored solution to meet your needs. Our prices are the lowest in the industry, beating all competition with a super low entry price of just $5 per head. We call this the Basic, best suited for small groups. The Standard, which is between $10 and $19 a week, is suited for a single larger group. And then the Premium spot within $20 to $30 a week, which is hands down the top of the line, offering the most services with the best savings for those with large, already established groups. With live in-game wagers so that you can bet on every single play, live 24-hour-a-day, 7 days a week phone betting, and finally, a mobile betting platform, which means that you can turn your cell phone into a gambling hub, there's no better time than now to make the call. Visit Wagersolutions.com today. Wagersolutions.com. Per head, made easy.